Let me just say, I'm so excited. I've been dying to do this video for you guys for so many reasons. So you see my hair is all sectioned off, and that's because we're going to be drying my hair with the RevAir. You don't understand how long I've wanted this. If you've seen this on Instagram or in an ad, you know what this does. And if you don't, just keep watching, because we're about to use it today and I'm extremely excited. Okay, it says to put it on 2. Ooh, that's loud. And then you put it at high heat. I'm scared. But gotta leave it for, I think, 60 to 90 seconds. Look at my hair. The fact the way it dries it, it's crazy. Do the next part of my straightening phase.